Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to review a switch that I've been meaning to look at for a while now, and that is the Drop Halo True switches. Now these are manufactured by KO, and I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below if you do plan on buying them in the future. These are some pretty heavy switches, but if you get used to them, they provide a very unique experience when typing. They are a tactile switch. They have a peak force of 60 grams, an actuation force of 54 grams, and a bottom out force of 100 grams. That means that it is very hard to bottom out with these switches. Now, the typing experience is, like I said, a very unique one because it is very easy to activate that tactile bump. So if you are someone that likes to be light on your fingertips when typing, these switches could be very good for you, considering that you will still get that tactile feedback without having to press too hard on the switches. And of course, you obviously won't have to worry about bottoming out anytime soon. So if that's the case, then these are probably right up your alley. Now for me, I like to play a lot of video games and rhythm games, so when I was playing rhythm games, I noticed that because I don't have really time to focus on not bottoming out, when you try to bottom out with these switches, or if you're pressing down hard, you can definitely feel the weight. Obviously, if I got used to these switches more, they could be a very pleasant experience for me, but at the moment in time, I did somewhat enjoy them, just not for the games I play. Now, if you're just playing FPS games or just typing normal essays, these switches would be great. But since I like to play a lot of rhythm games, these switches were personally not really up my alley when it comes to those sort of games. But that's my only complaint with these. When it comes to how these switches sound, I'll be leaving a sound test here for you guys to basically hear how they sound on a keyboard. So yeah, like I said, these switches fit a very cool marketplace that I think a lot of people might enjoy if they were able to maybe get their hands on some. And it's basically just a very nice tactile switch that tends to be on the heavier side, but has a very heavy weight when you try to bottom out with them. So if that's what you're looking for in a switch, look no further because these are probably the ones you're going to be looking for. But other than that, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know what you guys think about these switches. And like I said before, they'll be in the description below if you do plan on buying them. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.